Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most durable hiking shoes for all your outdoor adventures. In today's video, we'll be exploring the world of hiking shoes. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting to explore the trails, having the right pair of hiking shoes is crucial for comfort, support, and protection. I've handpicked the top 5 hiking shoes for 2023 that offer exceptional performance, advanced technology, and reliable durability. Links to all the shoes mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the best hiking gear. Let's lace up and hit the trails. Starting at number 5, Rax 635B 370 Hiking Shoes. The Rax 635B 370 hiking shoes are designed for professional hikers seeking reliable and breathable footwear. Made from microfiber, these shoes offer durability and a lightweight feel. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit and allows for easy adjustment according to individual preferences. Featuring a synthetic lining material, these shoes enhance breathability and prevent moisture buildup, keeping your feet dry and comfortable during hikes. The rubber outsole material offers excellent traction and grip, providing stability and confidence on various terrains. The breathable feature ensures adequate airflow, enhancing overall comfort. Suitable for both men and adults, these hiking shoes are designed for professional hikers who prioritize breathability and comfort. Whether you're tackling challenging trails or embarking on long hiking expeditions, the Rax 635B 370 hiking shoes deliver the necessary performance and reliability. With their lightweight construction and breathable design, these shoes are ideal for individuals seeking comfortable footwear for extended hikes. The Rax 635B 370 hiking shoes provide the necessary features and quality to support your outdoor adventures while ensuring your feet stay comfortable and cool. At number 4, Humpto He 220,865 a hiking boot. The Humpto He 220,865 a hiking boot is designed for professional hikers who require sturdy and reliable footwear that can withstand demanding outdoor conditions. Made from spandex and featuring genuine leather uppers, these boots offer exceptional durability and protection. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit and allows for easy adjustment based on individual preferences. With a latex insole, these hiking boots provide excellent cushioning and support, reducing foot fatigue during long hikes. The rubber outsole material offers reliable traction and grip on various terrains, ensuring stability and confidence in challenging environments. The static waterproof feature enhances the boot's water resistance, keeping your feet dry during wet conditions. Suitable for hiking, camping, safety shoes, and battle boots, these boots are designed to withstand rigorous outdoor activities. Whether you're traversing rocky terrains or navigating through muddy trails, the Humpto He 220,865 a hiking boot offers the necessary durability and performance. Catering to men and adults, these boots are a reliable choice for individuals seeking professional-grade hiking footwear. The Humpto He 220,865 a hiking boot combines functionality, durability, and waterproof capabilities to provide the necessary support for demanding outdoor adventures. At number 3, CAMELA 842,026,445 hiking shoes. The CAMELA 842,026,445 hiking shoes are designed for professional hikers who demand high-quality footwear with exceptional features. Made from microfiber, these shoes offer a durable and breathable experience. The lace-up closure allows for a customized and secure fit, ensuring stability and support during challenging hikes. Featuring genuine leather uppers, these shoes provide excellent durability and protection against the elements. The synthetic lining material enhances breathability and wicks away moisture, keeping your feet dry and comfortable throughout your adventures. The EVA insole offers cushioning and shock absorption, reducing fatigue and providing all-day comfort. With their waterproof feature, these hiking shoes offer reliable protection against wet conditions, ensuring your feet stay dry during hikes in various terrains. Whether you're trekking through forests or conquering mountain trails, the CAMELA 842,026,445 hiking shoes offer the necessary stability and grip. Suitable for both men and women, these unisex hiking shoes are a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional hiker or an avid adventurer seeking reliable footwear, the CAMELA 842,026,445 hiking shoes provide the necessary features, durability, and comfort for your outdoor pursuits. At number 2, HikeUp Peking 18 hiking shoes. The HikeUp Peking 18 hiking shoes are designed for advanced hikers who require durable footwear with exceptional breathability and waterproof features. Made from polyester, these shoes offer a combination of comfort and durability. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit and allows for easy adjustment based on individual preferences. The synthetic lining material enhances breathability, preventing excessive sweating and discomfort during long hikes. The EVA insole provides cushioning and support for your feet, reducing fatigue and offering a comfortable walking experience. The rubber outsole material ensures excellent traction and grip on different terrains, enhancing your stability and confidence on the trails. With their breathable and waterproof design, these hiking shoes are suitable for trail running, camping, tourism, and trekking. The fur upper material adds a touch of style and warmth, making them versatile for various outdoor activities during different seasons. Available in brown, gray, and black, these shoes cater to personal style preferences. The HikeUp Peking 18 hiking shoes are designed for men and offer a true-to-size fit. They are a reliable choice for advanced hikers seeking footwear that combines performance, breathability, and waterproof capabilities. At number 1, Boss Blow 7306 hiking shoes. The Boss Blow 7306 hiking shoes are a reliable and comfortable choice for beginners seeking durable footwear for their outdoor adventures. Made from cotton, these shoes offer a breathable and lightweight experience, allowing your feet to stay cool and dry during hikes. The lace-up closure provides a secure and adjustable fit, ensuring stability on uneven terrain. With a medium shoe width and a true-to-size fit, these hiking shoes offer comfort for extended wear. The T-par outsole material provides excellent traction and grip, preventing slips and enhancing your confidence on various surfaces. Whether you're exploring trails or embarking on camping trips, these shoes offer the necessary support and protection. While these shoes are designed for men, their features and quality make them suitable for anyone looking for a comfortable and functional hiking shoe. The waterproof feature adds an extra layer of protection against unexpected weather conditions and ensures your feet stay dry throughout your hike. If you're a beginner hiker seeking a reliable pair of shoes that offer comfort, breathability, and waterproof capabilities, the Boss Blow 7306 hiking shoes are a solid choice. They provide the necessary features and performance to support your outdoor activities while keeping your feet comfortable and protected.